Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see T-Mobile lost phone replacement, how to file a claim and get a new device. To replace a lost T-Mobile phone you must file an insurance claim through Assurant, T-Mobile's protection provider by visiting mytmo.com or call in 1-866-866-6285. You must provide necessary documents and file the claim within 60 days of the phone being lost or stolen. Step 1. Suspend your line immediately. Before filing your claim, block your line to prevent unauthorized charges or data use. First, log into your T-Mobile account online or via the app. Now go to Account and select your line. From there, choose Block or Unblock device. This temporarily hails service and blacklists the phone's IMEI number so it cannot be used on any network. Step 2. Gather required information. Your T-Mobile phone number and account PIN/passcode. The IMEI number of the lost phone found under the Devices tab in your online account, the make, model, and storage size of the device, a valid credit card or debit card to pay the required deductible fee, proof of ownership and police report number you must report to the police before applying for the claim. Step 3. File the claim with Assurant. Go to the official Assurant T-Mobile claim portal or open Protection 360 app, mytmo.com. Log in and go to the protection. Now select Loss and Theft Protection. Follow the on-screen prompts to describe how and when the device was lost. Now pay the deductible, which typically ranges from $10 to $250 plus, depending on your phone's tier. For example, standard Android VS flagship iPhone. Track your shipment. Replacement devices are usually shipped via next business day delivery. Crucial insurance notice. You can only file a claim if you were actively enrolled in Protection 360 P360 or a basic T-Mobile insurance plan prior to the phone being lost. If you do not have insurance, you cannot add it after the device is gone. You will need to buy a new phone at full retail price or purchase a cheap temporary replacement. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.